मांडवी नदीपात्रातील 6व्या कसिनोला सरकारनं नव्हे तर मुंबई उच्च न्यायालयाच्या गोवा खंडपीठानं परवानगी देण्याचा आदेश दिला होता। त्यामुळे या कसिनोला परवाना द्यावा लागला असा खुलासा उपसभापती मायकल लोबो यांनी सोमवारी पत्रकारांसमोर केलाय। दरम्यान 6वा कसिनो मिरामार बीच जवळ अडकून पडला असून तो लवकरच हटवला जाईल। त्याला दुसरी रिव्हर प्रिन्सेस म्हणण्याची आवश्यकता नाही। हे कसिनो जहाज रिव्हर प्रिन्सेस पेक्षा अतिशय लहान आहे, त्याची कोणीही काळजी करू नये अशी प्रतिक्रिया उपसभापती लोबो यांनी यावेळी व्यक्त केली।
Casino, the boat which was coming, the sandbar stopped it. I think that was a very wrong move, and it was not, government did not give any permission for it to come inside. So they had the High Court order, so they were making use of that High Court order to bring the vessel in. It can be a disaster. Under disaster management they can issue it, because you can never know if it is not towed away. The tugs do not tow it away right now. The boat will remain there. No, it will not remain as River Princess. It's a very small boat. It can be towed away. I think they have already made necessary arrangements to tow it away. It should be done quickly. And government can also challenge the order in Supreme Court if they don't want the 6th casino.
मांडवीतील तरंगते कसिनो जमिनीवर स्थलांतरित करण्यासाठी सरकार लवकरच नवं धोरण आखणार आहे। या धोरणानुसार कसिनो मालकांना कसिनोचं स्थलांतरण करण्यासाठी वेळ दिला जाईल। या संदर्भातील कायदा येत्या अधिवेशनात संमत होण्याची शक्यता आहे अशी माहिती लोबो यांनी दिली।
जे लॉ ने करपाचे आहा ते असेंब्लीन येतले, स्पेशली काजिनो मूव करपाक ऑन लँड. सो 6 casinos should be given place on land, because they have done investment on a ship. They have to be given enough time. You cannot, when a law is made and when the license is given, you cannot tell them to pack off your bags and go tomorrow. Nobody will do investment into Goa. We are talking about unemployment. So if you bring in employment, if you bring in business, a new entrepreneur, you cannot tell him to shut your business and go. If you want him to move out from the water, we have to give them other arrangements. So we will have to give them time to buy land and set up their land casino.